How to remove Insta profile pic. So if you want to remove your Instagram profile picture and not keep anything and only just keep a generic profile picture like the no profile, right? You can do that if you just open the Instagram application, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, and you will see this type of interface right here. And once you tap on this interface, what you want to do from here is you want to simply go to this option that says edit profile right next to your profile. Once you go to the option called edit profile, you can see your picture and avatar, and it says edit picture or avatar. So you want to simply tap on edit picture or avatar button, and here you can say to use new profile or import from Facebook. But what we are trying to do is we are trying to remove it. So we will simply select the option that says remove current picture, and when you tap on it, that current profile picture will actually be removed, as you would be able to find it and there is no profile picture. This way you will be able to remove Insta profile pic. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.